Did you miss us at the RAF Lunch and Learn event last January 28th?
Learning curve to kind of get you set up the right way. I've written a few books on digital marketing for restoration contractors. I got the newest one in the back.
Even Superman was there.
Oh, sorry I'm late.
Haha. We presented a ton of valuable takeaways and insight for all of you restoration experts out there.
Who out there's ever just had some time, and we're talking about the last couple of years when they're just so slam busy they can't keep up with the demand of the work. Restorers out there, never been that busy. Wow. How about times when you've been so slow you can't get the phone to ring? Well, today we're going to learn, and everybody in here hopefully is going to take away from this that that is not a marketing issue. It's an issue with control. So today's presentation I put together is called Built to Win. I'm going to show you guys how the top performing restoration contractors out there are winning it online in ways that actually matter. Right? Not with more leads, but getting those trucks on the road, getting those perpetual pipeline of jobs coming in to their business. Does that sound good, everybody? Yeah. All right.
Follow us so that you won't miss great opportunities like this to help your restoration company step up to the next level. See you around.